Hello friends, and today we are going to continue doing this tricky shape. I also want to add a couple things here that I want to change about this thing, especially these harsh edges. I want to make them more smoothie. And these bad boys. For this one, it's pretty easy. It's just going to work as it should. Just like that. Yeah, perfect. And I also found one thing here that we missed. Over here. Maybe you don't have it, but if you have something like this, like a harsh edge, you can select it and just bevel it. Just like this. Boom. Maybe we can bevel this thing too. You can definitely see it. Yeah, something like this. So we can make it a bit different. We can make Shift D here. And then we take this one, also do a Shift D. So we will have two of them. Yep. Now we will do the P over here and make it like this. Somewhere like this. Good. And again press P and bring it down or up. Let's check it out. Yeah, here it is. And make it something like that. So it barely fits it. Yeah, good. Okay, let's hide this one. Let's take this part and make it smaller. This can be left over here. Then this one will be over here and this one will be over here. So select these two, Shift X, select this and this bad boys and press loft. Let's drop a G1 and let's join them and let's select all of them. Let's just do it a little bit narrower. Yeah, let's try it. Okay, select Q. Okay, select this, select, Shift X. Perfect. And now I can just loft them. Let's leave it like this. L, let's join. Yep, good. Now let's select these things and delete them. Shift X this. Yeah. And Shift J, but on a G1. Boom. Yeah, much better. Let's do the same thing here. Because you see that harsh line there. It's just one harsh line. I don't like it. Okay. Shift X. Select. Shift J. Sorry for interrupting the mic. And boom. Here we go. Nice. Curvy. Love it. Yeah, isn't that better? Tell me that it's not. Of course it is. Of course it is. I hope you have much better shape than me, but look at this one. It's just amazing. Like it. Like it, like it, like it. We also have this harsh angles here. Let's do the same trick. Yep. And here. Let's just make it like that. Yeah. Here is also one little thing. And here it's two. It just annoys me. Okay. It's easy to fix. Not a big deal. Just look on the mesh and try to avoid them. Just bevel them. And that's all. Bevel this too. Good. Everything is better than just a harsh angle. Okay, nice. I will save that. I will delete this. I don't need it. And I will do Alt-X. Alt-X from right to left. Okay, boom. And let's make this like that. Okay, I don't get, sometimes it makes the closed cylinders and sometimes it makes them hollow. Without top and without the bottom. I don't get it. Maybe I press something that interrupts the process, but okay. I will just redo it. This one and this one, I want to isolate them. So visually I can see where I am. Yeah, I will just add the Control R and drop it somewhere over here. And Control R, drop it over here. Good. Just extrude it like this. Good. Okay, here it is. To make it lower like this. Move it over here by pressing a V. And yeah, narrower. Okay, let's try to do it easy way and just make it scale and... Ooh, yeah, damn it, I like how it looks like that. Whoa, that's cool. I will just isolate it. I will select this one and I will do rotation, but with the start point here. And let's just make it like that. Let's do 3. Okay. And let's do same over here. RV, boom. And minus. Ah, good. Perfect. 3 and 3. Yeah. That's what I want. No, actually, I think I want something a little bit different. R, V, boom. Let's make just 1.3, boom, like this. And the same over here. R, V, boom. Oh, RV here. R and 1.3, boom. Yeah, this is much better. And let's take this thing and do this magic again. Good. I will just rotate it like this and do Alt X, but I need to do a freestyle, put it here. Yeah, this is much better. QQ, boom. Okay, let's select this thing, V in the center, and rotate it here. Good. Actually, I need it like this. Alt X. Boom. Here we go. Let's merge them. Let's just do it like this. Center. Good. And let's get just a little bit bigger. Boom. Yeah, something like this. And let's just C, cut, boom, X. And let's try to match this one. Yeah, we can do it like this. But look here. I can create the circle, definitely, like this radius. I can bring it a bit over here. And I can extrude it over here. Just a hollow one. Yep. And now, 100% like this, I think. Yeah, let's try it. Okay, I will select this. I will select F. I will select match face and drop it here. Boom. Here we go. Nice. Let's just select this, and this. Do the isolation. Let's cut it in the center with the loop cut. Like this. Yep. Let's Alt X it over here and merge. Select this. central part and just drop it like this. Good. And now we can do a select Q, but T, left the bodies. Good. And now we can also select these things and just do this type of bevel there. Kind of like this one, not a soft one, but more chamfer. F, match face, and get it over here. Yeah, but first I think, yeah, these things should be beveled first. Then just a little bit of this, guys, like this. Not super strong. I need to feel that angle. And yeah, now I can do this. Let's make it like that, I think. That's sleek. And I'll text it to the other side. If you forget to merge it, just QQ. Because we pretty much have everything that we need here. Let's just select this thing and rotate it over here. If it's some kind of a lunar shape, it should be something over here. Yeah, let's make it big. Like this, I think. Let's move it here. Then we need to cut it with this thing. Definitely, maybe make it a little bit bigger. We need the same thing, but something like that. And we will extrude it here, like this. I don't know what it is, but that's how I see that thing. Okay, let's imagine that it's some sort of a mech here. Yeah, Alt-H, I love plasticity for this simplicity of things. It just work. And that's amazing. Let's select this little shit and let's move it over here. Good. Yeah, let's make this one a little bit smaller too, like this. Boom. So it won't intersect it too much. Yeah, but we can clearly see it. Yeah, something like that. Maybe it has some holes in it, in the center. Let's do a Shift H. Let's select these ones. Do a Bevels. Do a Bevels here too. Just like this. And let's just cut it over here. I don't know why, but I just want to do it like this. But not till the super end, I think somewhere over here. Maybe over here. Cut it out. Okay. Yeah, I think this how it might look. If not, don't judge me. I don't know how it look. I'm just making it from my perspective and from the pictures that I see. You can do it the way you like. It's your imagination. Yeah, we'll drop something like this. And I want variable points. Let's drop one here, and one over here, and make this one bigger. God damn it. I need one more here and here. And just make this one a little bit thinner and a little bit wider. Yeah, good. Yeah, and I like the left side more. Let's Alt exit, F, and on the center, like this. Good. F, redundant. Oh, I always try to write. I have them in the... And let's Alt exit to another side. Good. We don't need to merge them. Maybe they are the same as this one. You know, just can take like Shift D, put it over here, just rotate it. I think it's something like this. Let's just make them lower a bit, like this. Good. Let's try it. Just do a boolean here, like Q and T. And what do we have? Yeah, whoa. This is very cool. Wow, man. Damn, this looks... Wow. I love it. I want to keep it like this. We're experimenting here, chilling, trying to make something like on the reference, but not copy it exactly. Maybe I can try to make this one a little bit bigger. Let's try it. Can I do it? Yeah, I can. Actually, I can. Let me see how it looks here. Okay, Alt X, just mirror it here, merge it, Q, T, boom. Wow. Oh my god, we created something astonishing. This one is pretty easy. So basically we need to do this thing. Yep, we need just to extrude this guy. Select this shit, delete it. Select the top part, make it like... Can I make it full? No, I can't. Then we make it like this. And let's make it a little bit squishy on the y-axis. Move it a little bit and squish it here too. Yeah, something like this. Small tablets. And drop it here. Make it a little bit bigger, just to fit in these holes. Let me just go to isolation mode. Offset it. Make it like this, I guess. And just drop it here. Q, but T. Leave it here. So I just need to duplicate this and put it here. Just move it a little bit there. Good. And let's drop a hole. Q, T, boom. And let's... No, I don't need it here. Only there. Okay, so if I hide it, okay, Alt H. Nice. Let's do the next one. Shift D. Move it here. This one should be bigger, like this. Move it over here. Let's drop the hole. Select this, Q, T, and another one. Select this, Q, T. Perfect. Let's make another one. Okay, good. And let's select this, Q, T. Let's go. H, and I also want to, yeah. Select this, Q, T. Perfect. Now I can select each of them and just Alt X from right to left. Q. Nice. This one looks very cool. Let's see it with colors or some sort of that. Yeah, good. Love it. Love it. Maybe I can make a little... I want this to be, yeah, like this holes. Let's make this one and this one like this. Good. Nice. That looks cool. Let me see it without everything. Yeah. Okay. Whoa. God damn it. I thought we couldn't make this. Only the imprintings left. I think we can do them in the next one. Yeah, this shape, nobody see this shape, but like a true 3D, guys, we made this look super sleek and only for our attention. This sleek detail is going to exist. Oh, I love it. Okay, guys, let's finish up on this one today and let's continue on this bad boy in the next video. Have a good day and model something cool. Bye.